Hello, teacher.
Hello, Cookie. Wait for a while, honey. I will just check my mic, okay, if it's working well. Hold on. I will test my mic. My microphone. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, mic test. Okay. Is my voice okay, honey?
Yes.
Wow! You've got a camera.
Yes.
When have you got the camera, Cookie? Who gave that one to you?
My mom.
Your mom gave it to you. Last Christmas, honey? That's for Christmas?
Yes.
That's for Christmas. Okay, I see, honey. Can you take a picture? Can you try to
Yes.
pick a picture?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
What?
Done?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Can I see? Wow! That is so pretty. That's so nice. I like your camera, honey. Wow. And you just need to charge it, right? You just need
Yeah.
to charge it. And can you upload the pictures, honey, to Facebook or to Zalo? Are you
Uh, I,
allowed? Yeah.
I don't know. I will try to do it.
So you still don't know you still don't know how to transfer the how do I say that? To transfer the photo from the camera to the phone, honey. Yeah.
Yeah.
Honey, is it expensive? What do you think?
No.
It's not?
Mm,
It's not
yes.
really? But the quality is so nice.
Yes.
The quality is so nice. It's so nice, honey. I like it. I totally like it.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, honey, how was your New Year's Eve? How was your New Year?
I think it's very fun.
But Luis told me that you didn't celebrate, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You didn't get to celebrate. You only stayed at home?
No, I go to eat. I go to the
Ah,
mountain mail to
oh
eat.
yeah. I remembered, honey. He told me that you didn't celebrate at home, but you went outside to celebrate. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And did you see fireworks outside, honey? Did you see
Yes, I know I
fireworks?
see the firework in the television.
In the television. You didn't see anyone having fireworks outside. Only in the television. Yeah?
Yeah.
I see. Okay. Honey, are you excited for which one are you more excited with? The
Mm,
the Christmas or the January 1 New Year?
I think it's a New Year.
You're more excited for the New Year. Not the that, but this New Year, honey.
Um, Teacher, do you have a new bottle?
What? Uh
Do you have a new
New Year?
bottle?
A
No,
New
new
Year?
bottle.
Huh?
New bottle. You bring pink.
This?
Yes, it name right.
This one? What?
I told you this is new, right?
Yeah. You didn't see this last time? You didn't
Yes.
see this? Yeah, I received this gift from Christmas, honey. Yeah.
Mm,
I received this from Christmas. You didn't see?
yes.
I think I've showed you last time.
No.
Really? You didn't see me drinking last time using this?
Yes.
Oh. It, but you saw my big water bottle, right? You saw the
Yes.
blue big water bottle? Not this
Yes.
one.
Yes.
You know what, honey? It's raining here. It is
It's
raining
rain
here right now.
too.
It's raining
There's
there
rain.
too?
Yes.
Oh, we're the same. We're the same. That's why it is very, very noisy up there, honey. Very, very noisy. The
Mm. Yeah.
roof is very, very noisy. Anyway, honey, did you go to school today?
Yes.
How was your day at school?
I have a normal day at school.
You had a normal day. That is great to hear, honey. Okay. Anyway, honey, wait for a while. I will just close my window, okay?
Yeah.
Can you wait for me? I will just close my window because it is very, very noisy.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh my goodness. I was sweating, honey, because I was running. I also
Yeah.
closed. Oh, it's Luis.
Yes.
Okay, anyway, honey, teacher is now going to share the screen. Okay,
Yes.
we are going. I am sweating, honey, because I ran. I also closed my mother's windows, honey. My mother's room's windows. Oh my
Yes.
goodness. All right. So last time, honey. Hold on. Yeah. Last time we had this one. All right. Wait. Let me check. Let me check. The last page. Get to find. Honey.
Yes.
We're done. We're done. We are done with this one. Remember, we're done with this one. So now we are going to have the city Pictionary, honey, and the countryside Pictionary. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes, we have different. We have. I think. Hold on. We're done with the garage traffic light. We're done with that. We are done already with the traffic lights, honey. Right?
Yes.
Yes. Now we are going to have next to the traffic light, honey. We have the pedestrian. Can you read it? Can you read it, honey?
Pedestrian crossing.
Crossing. Very good. Okay, honey. Do you know what is a pedestrian crossing? Do you know that?
Yes.
Oh, what is that? Can you explain that to me?
It's like the road for the people who walk.
Okay. It is a marked part, honey. You know this mark right here? The green, like the lines? Yeah. This
Yeah.
is the marked side or part of the road, honey, where where people can walk safely, honey. Yeah. You know what, my dear? If we in the Philippines,
Yes.
I don't know in Vietnam, but if for example, the people are walking in the pedestrian lane and the car hits them, for example, the car hits them, honey. Yeah. The car is the one who's going to pay really big to the person who got hit, honey. That's the
Yeah.
rule here in the Philippines. How about there? Is it also like a rule there, honey? Do you have also something like that?
Yes.
That when you got
But when
hit,
we cross the road, we also uh
yeah,
uh
yeah, of course. You like even if it's a
yeah.
big truck. Stop, stop, stop. Or if you're going to hit me, you're going to pay a lot. Just kidding. Okay.
But I don't know. I have it, but it in I don't know. In my country, have a pedestrian crossing. I
Ah,
don't know.
you haven't seen? You haven't seen a pedestrian crossing
Yeah.
there?
Yeah.
Really? Really? Okay, let us search the I think okay, let's just search pedestrian crossing. Here. Here, honey. This is what a pedestrian crossing looks like. It's like a pedestrian lane. Okay? You don't have this
Yeah.
one?
I don't know.
Here in Vietnam. You have this.
Yeah.
Yeah, but maybe you haven't seen. You haven't seen anything, honey? Like this?
Yes.
You haven't? Okay. Maybe but you live in the city, right? You live in
Yeah.
the city and you don't have this?
Oh, I don't know. Because like the motorcycle is also
Mm,
very
mm,
fast.
mm. Okay, I see, honey. But it's really but you ride a motorcycle, right, honey? You ride a
Yes.
motorcycle. Oh, okay. Maybe you just didn't notice. Yeah, maybe you're just not looking at the road. That's why you didn't notice, honey.
Yes.
Okay. Maybe, but honey, if you're going to a place, another place, honey, if you're going to school, just look at the road. Maybe there's a pedestrian lane, and just tell me,
Yeah.
just update me, okay? Just say, teacher, I saw a pedestrian lane. I finally found a pedestrian lane, teacher. Okay. Anyway, it is so hot here, honey. Even if it's raining, I don't know why. It is very, very
Yeah.
hot. Yeah. Okay. Next to the pedestrian lane, honey, we have what is it?
At the park.
Very good. What is a park, honey?
The park is a place to people like fly a kite or
Mm-hmm.
do something, and sometimes they go for a walk.
Very good. That is it, honey. Yeah, is it a large public area, honey? Is it a large public area? What do you think?
Yeah.
Is it very, very big? Very, very large? Yeah.
No, some is very big and some is very small.
What can you see in the park, honey? What are the things that you can see in the park?
I can see
Mhm.
the tree, some tree.
Trees. Yes, very good, honey. What else?
Flower,
Flowers too.
bench, bench.
Yes, very good, honey. Flowers, trees, bench. Yeah. Honey, is the playground and the park the same? Is the
No,
playground and the park the same? Oh, what's the difference between the playground and the park? Can you tell me?
the park is the place,
Mm-hmm.
and no, the playground is play to children play, and the park is
Mm-hmm.
play to some people do sports.
Very good. Great job, honey. That is it. Okay, next one. We have the next one, honey. Next to the park, we have, what is it?
Next to the park, we have a bank,
Bank. Great job. What is a bank?
and the bank is the place. Uh, it have a lot of money.
There's a lot of money inside a bank. Have you been into a bank before, honey? Have you visited the
Yeah,
bank before? Really? Really?
yes,
Oh. Because and then you went there with your mom.
yes,
Ah.
yes.
Okay. Me, honey, I go to the bank sometimes, and you know what? We aren't allowed to go. I have a specific bank, honey, where I withdraw money or deposit some money or some funds, honey. And inside that bank, honey, we cannot use a phone. It's prohibited. Yeah, people are prohibited, honey. People aren't allowed to use a phone. How about there in the bank that you've been to, honey? Are the people allowed to use phones there?
Oh, I, no, I don't
You don't know.
see. Yes, but my mom can use the phone.
Maybe different banks, honey, has different, different how do I say this? Different rules. They have different rules. Okay.
Teacher, I don't know why go to the bank we can use the phone.
I also don't know, honey. Like I really don't know. We cannot maybe we aren't allowed. Yeah, we aren't allowed to take pictures, honey. Yeah, we aren't allowed to take pictures. I don't know. Maybe for privacy, honey. Maybe for safety. Maybe. Yeah.
Yeah,
Honey, can you hear the raindrop from my roof?
no, I don't.
No. Maybe this headset is just really nice thing today. Okay. My husband gave me coffee. I am so happy. Okay. Let's have next to the bank, honey, we have
We have the hospital.
yeah, this one is very common, honey. This one is very common. We have a lot of this one to our places, honey. What is a hospital, my dear? Can you explain to me what a hospital is? What is it?
The hospital is the place when people ill we can go to there,
Mhm.
and they have a doctor, nurse.
Yes, it's a place where the sick people or the injured people go to be treated, honey, by the doctors and the nurses. You're correct, honey. But I am going to ask you, my love, Cookie, have you been into, oh, Cookie, are you still there?
Yes,
Oh, I thought you were freezing, honey. Honey, have you been, have you been into a hospital before because you were sick, honey? Cookie? 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 I think you're freezing, honey. Honey? Cookie?
oh teacher, why is two cookie?
I don't know. And the other one left. I think you froze a while ago, honey. I said, Cookie? Cookie, are you there? And then you entered again. You entered again, and then I accepted you. So there's two cookies. I said, oh, why are there two cookies here? Why is it, honey? Is it because of your internet? Maybe because of
I
your
don't
internet, honey.
I don't know.
Yeah, maybe because of your internet. Actually, honey, you can actually you can actually here. You can you can check your internet, honey, using this. Here. Click this link and then you check your internet.
Yes.
Click that and then you press the go.
Go. Go.
Are you pressing it already? Okay. Let's wait. Let's wait for the result. I am going to show you my result, okay? And I have a very, very strong internet, honey. This is the example of a very strong internet, my dear.
Oh
Look,
teacher. Oh
here.
oh and
My internet.
when I can see it.
You can now? Okay. Let's see the result.
Oh 300? I don't know.
No! Really? Can you share your screen? Can you share? Let me see.
Oh,
You can. Okay, you can share your screen. Yeah, share it. Teacher wants to see it. Because if it's 300, then that means you have a very nice internet too.
teacher.
It's so nice. Your internet is so good. Yeah, it is very good, honey. But my internet is so good too. Then why did you froze a while ago?
I don't know. I go to the Google and
Uh,
when I click to Zoom and when I go out and when I go
ah,
out I out.
okay. It's because you were clicking another app. That's why you were freezing. Oh yeah, because you're just using an iPad, honey. It's okay if you're using like a laptop, but you're using an iPad. It's okay. That's fine. That's normal. Sometimes that happens to me too when I am using my tablet for my class. Okay. Next to Okay, honey, I have a question for you a while ago, right? My question for you a while ago, honey, is that have you ever tried going to a hospital, honey? Have you ever tried going to a hospital because you were sick?
Yes,
Ooh. What happened to you?
because when I like a baby when I baby
Ah,
I eat egg and and
hmm.
I don't know, but I eat it and I go to the hospital and the doctor is up to my hand.
Y- um injected your hand or like
Yeah,
yeah. Okay. You can't eat eggs, honey. That means you cannot eat eggs now.
no, not I can, but but I don't know when I was baby. I don't know why I can't eat egg.
Okay, but because you were still a baby during that time, honey. You were still a baby during that time. And babies' tummy are really sensitive. The baby skins are very, very sensitive. Yeah. But how about now that you're big, honey? Have you ever tried going to the hospital now that you're bigger?
No,
Yeah.
no,
Only Luis, right?
yes,
Because of his what was it again? Nose?
yes, no. He
Yeah, the
have
nose. Pimple.
I don't know.
Is it pimple? I forgot. Yeah, but he really went to the hospital and we didn't have class for I think a week. A week,
Yeah.
honey. Oh, I felt really bad for Luis during that time. Okay, next one, honey. We have next to the hospital, we have can you read it?
Railway station.
Very good. Railway station. What is a railway station, honey?
The railway station is the fast train.
Okay. So a railway station, honey, is a place where the train stop. Okay? It is a place where the train stop, honey, so the people or the passengers can get in or can get off from the train, honey. Okay?
Uh,
And
Teacher, subway and railway station are different.
I think it's really I don't know, honey, because we don't have I actually don't know because we don't have a railway station here or like a subway station, but we can check. We can check. Okay? What is the difference between I think subway station, honey, is more advanced than the railway station. Between railway, okay, and subway station, subway station. Okay. Okay. A railway station, honey, this serves long distance, honey. Yeah, long distance travels, my dear. Okay?
Oh,
But a subway station, honey, is underground. Yeah. Okay. Ah, Railway is for long distance travels, honey, like for 6 hours, 10 hours travel, 5 hours travel. Okay, but for subway station, honey, it's for urban areas, honey, like cities, for big cities, my dear. Yeah, and it's just for not a long travel, honey. It only serves like 2 hours travel, 1 hour, 30 minutes, something like that. That's the difference between railway and then subway.
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, have you been into a subway station, honey?
Yes.
Oh, you have a subway station there?
Yes. A new one.
Hey, a new one. What is the name? Can I search it?
Metro.
Metro subway station in Ho Chi Minh, something like that.
Hmm.
New. Metro line, honey. Ho Chi Minh City's first subway Metro line Ben Tran Soi
Yes.
Tien. Yeah,
Yes.
Soi Tien, right?
Sweetie, what does it mean? Yes.
Yeah.
Right. Yes.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it's a subway station. Ah,
Yeah.
and have you been here?
Yes. When I go to the thing.
To the where?
Thing.
Okay. Okay. I see, honey. Wow. How many hours of travel do you have, honey, when you ride the subway station in Soitian?
It's very near. There's only 30 minutes.
Yeah, I told you, railway is for long distance travels, honey. But subway stations is just for 30 minutes travel, 20, something like that. But it's a very, very quick, right? It's very,
Yeah.
very quick. Yeah. Okay. Next to the railway station, honey, we have what is it?
The airport.
Very good. The airport. This is my favorite place, honey, but it has been 3 years already that I haven't been into an airport. Okay, now tell me and explain to me, honey, what is an airport?
The airport is a place have a lot of planes, and we can travel to other country by
Oh, yes, that is right. Have you been into another country?
yes.
Thailand?
Yes.
Yes, I knew about it because Luis told me about it. Luis told me that you went to Vietnam. I mean Vietnam. Why did I say Vietnam? Thailand. Yeah. Only Thailand, honey? Or yeah?
Only this.
Okay. When was it, honey? When have you traveled there?
Mm, when I was I went like when I was for I don't when I 4 years old.
When you were 4 years old. I see. But now you're already. How old are you now?
2012.
You're already 12, right? Oh my goodness.
I'm very
You want to
old.
go? No, you're not. Teacher is very old. You're not old. You're wrong. You're not old. Okay, honey. So, if you're going to be given a chance to travel again, my dear Cookie, which is the country that you're going to travel next?
I don't know. I don't know.
Me, I want to go to Vietnam. I swear. Yeah. Before, I really want to go to South Korea. I want to go to Japan. But right now, honey, I changed my mind. Like, because I have a lot of students in Vietnam right now. That's why I want to go to Vietnam. I want to visit you.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it okay if I visit you one day if I go there?
Yes.
Would it be okay?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, we have the next one, honey. Next to the airport, we have the what is it?
Stadium.
Yes, we have the stadium. What is a stadium, honey?
The stadium is the place we can do some sport and some competition.
Yes. Do you have a stadium in your country, my dear?
I think yes.
Ah, okay. In here, I don't think we have a stadium. I don't think we have a stadium, honey. In my place. But in my country, it's not a stadium, but it's an arena. Yeah. Okay. Anyway,
Arena,
honey.
what is mean?
Like here, honey. I will show you, okay? Arena. Okay, arena, honey, is a place where idols do their concerts. Yeah. When, for example, Korean actors or Korean idols, honey, goes here in the Philippines, they can just go there. They can wait for a while. Arena. They can just go there, honey, and perform. This is what it looks like.
Yes.
Yeah. This is what an arena looks like, honey. Okay, Philippine Arena. Okay, let us search.
Teacher, I have a stadium named Maiden and it have a concert there.
Really? In Ho Chi Minh?
Yes. Yeah.
Ho Chi Minh?
No. It's in Hanoi.
Ay,
Hanoi.
Hanoi.
Capital City.
Yeah, okay. Here. Yes. Okay. Is Luis there?
Yes.
Luis!
Yeah.
Okay, we have the last one, honey. The last one is
The last one is the house.
very good. The last one for the city Pictionary, honey, is the house. What is a house?
The house is the house and the house is the place we live.
The house is a house. Yes. The house is our home. What do we do? What do people do in the house, honey? What are the primary things that we do in the house? Yeah.
We sleep.
Yes. What else?
We eat.
What else?
We play. We bring. We play. We do homework.
Yes, very good. And the house, honey, is my favorite place in the whole wide world, honey. That is my favorite place. My house is my favorite place, honey, to go. How about you? Is your house your favorite too?
Yes.
Of course. Yeah, because it's peaceful in our house, honey. We can do a lot of things inside our house. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. We can do anything inside our house, honey, without minding a lot of people. Okay. Next one, honey. Next to the city Pictionary, since we're done with the city Pictionary, let's have the countryside Pictionary. But before that, before going to the countryside Pictionary, let's read the city Pictionary's words first. Vocabularies
School,
first.
telephone box, cars road, car park, road roundabout, museum, bus stop, street light, factory, garage, garage, hotel, traffic light, pedi-
Pedestrian.
pedestrian crossing, park, bank, hospital, railway station, airport, stadium, house.
Very good. Okay, next one we have here the do you want to say something, honey? Are you saying something?
No.
Okay. I thought you were saying something. Okay, the next one, honey, is in the countryside Pictionary. Okay, honey, what is the countryside again? What is the countryside again, honey?
The countryside, is a split, have a farm, have a farmer, have a bank, and have a lot of animal
Is the countryside inside the city or outside the city?
outside the city.
Very good. Okay, honey.
They
That's
don't-
right. Now, honey, we have the first picture of the first word or vocabulary here in the countryside dictionary. What is this?
Bank,
Barn.
barn.
What is a barn, honey? What do you think
The
is a barn?
the barn
Mm-hmm.
like it like it a house.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay. A barn, honey, is a large farm, honey. A large farm building, honey. It is used for storing the crops like the rice, the corn, the hay. And sometimes, honey, it could be used for storing animals or houses for the animals, honey, like the cow, the horse. Okay?
Donkey.
Donkey too. Yeah. Have you seen a barn?
Yes, I see the barn.
I
And I
saw.
go travel. I saw the barn when I go
Mm,
travel.
really? In the
Yes,
countryside, right? The countryside.
no, what? No, it is that like and it like it have a zoo. And when I go to see something, I saw the barn and it have a lot of people inside.
Really?
Yes,
Oh,
they watch to them.
they watch like they looked after they watch the
They
how do I say
watch,
this?
watch,
The yeah, the
watch,
animals inside the barn? Yeah?
watch. What?
Ah, washing.
Yeah,
Ah,
watching. And the animal inside, people only see the animal inside.
ah, okay. Have you seen animals inside the barn, honey? Me, I haven't. And yes, honey. I have seen because my grandfather owns a farm.
Yeah, a big farm.
Yes, a huge farm, honey. But it's not ours.
Wow.
It's my grandfather's. It's my grandfather's farm, honey. And you know what?
Yeah.
He has a lot of this animal, honey. I'm going to show you, okay?
Yes. Wow. Wow. Wow.
This. We have a lot of this animal in the Philippines, honey. It is used for farming. We call it carabao.
Buffalo. Buffalo.
Yes, a buffalo. Yeah, it is a
I have.
buffalo, honey.
I have the. We use it to like. We use it to farm.
To farm too. Yes, honey. Yeah, but in the Philippines, honey, we don't call it buffalo. Yeah, we really don't call it buffalo, honey, but we mainly call it carabao. Yeah,
Carabao.
it is a
Carabao.
buffalo. Yeah, it is a buffalo, honey, but it's a water buffalo. Yeah,
Yeah. What's a buffalo? I have that too.
you have the yeah. Okay, okay. Let's carabao in Vietnam. Let's see. Ah, you also have it. I
Oh,
thought
this.
we only have this one, honey. But yeah, that's normal, honey, because we actually have like we actually have, how do I say this one? We are both in Southeast Asia, honey. So it's these kinds of animals are very common to see. I think Thailand also has this one. Okay, carabao in Thailand.
So,
See. Ah, yeah, you also have it.
drinking engineer.
You also have it. They also have it, honey. They also have buffaloes. Oh, okay. Anyway, honey, we just have seconds left. Thanks so much, honey, for your time. I am really, really blessed to have you in my class and also Louise. Thank you so much. I love you and see you on Thursday. Bye bye.
Bye, teacher.